In beautiful Rarity Bay on year-round Tellico Lake in East Tennessee, you'll discover the most ideal home in the right place at the right time. Welcome to 989 Rarity Bay Parkway. This Bayview villa with a view of the lakes surrounding the Rarity Bay Peninsula offers you 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a half bath for over 2,900 square feet of luxurious living area. You'll enjoy plenty of space in the formal dining room. The open floor plan takes you to your great room beneath 12-foot ceilings. But there's even more space with this sunroom on hardwood flooring. Relax outside on this covered deck with a commanding view all around. Behold your kitchen featuring counters of granite, stainless steel appliances throughout, and tremendous storage surrounding you and in the walk-in pantry. It also offers up an electric range. It's plumbed for natural gas if you'd like to upgrade. And enjoy a quiet moment anytime at the breakfast nook, framed within bay windows. Your bedrooms offer tremendous comfort. These bedrooms downstairs share a full bath. Your master on the main is crowned with a stylish tray ceiling, and the master bath provides dual vanities, a large glassed-in shower, and a jetted tub. Downstairs provides even more space, storage, a workshop, and this stylish family room, accessing a lower patio. There's even more to this Bayview villa that you have to experience firsthand to really appreciate. To schedule your private tour of 989 Rarity Bay Parkway, call Lisa Barnard of RE/MAX Excels direct at 865-582-1799.